Anna from Speak Better Spanish here. Today we're going to talk about the difference between me gusta and me gustan. So the first one, G-U-S-T-A. The second one, G-U-S-T-A-N. I know this is a really confusing topic and it takes a lot of practice to get used to because gusta works totally different than most of the other words we've learned so far in our Spanish learning journey. Because most of the other verbs that we've learned, we conjugate them in different forms. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes, right? And based on that, we can tell who's doing the action. Gusta doesn't work that way at all. Gusta works as if we were translating it to mean to be pleasing. So when we say gusta, it means it is pleasing. We say me gusta, it is pleasing to me. If we're talking about multiple items or people or things being pleasing to me, then we would use me gustan. Gustan to match up with the multiple items that are doing the action of being pleasing. So I know we don't really speak that way in English, saying like, oh, it's pleasing to me, they're pleasing to me. But in Spanish, that's how we construct this type of phrase. So here's an example. If I like the book, I would say, me gusta el libro, which would work like the book is pleasing to me. We choose gusta because libro is singular. If I wanted to say I like the books, I would say me gustan los libros. The books are pleasing to me. We choose gustan with an N because libros is plural. So that's the difference between me gusta and me gustan, is whether or not the item or the people or whatever we're talking about is singular or plural. Now, what if you're talking about you like to do something, right? I like to read. In that case, we're going to treat it as if it was singular. So we're going to use me gusta. Me gusta leer. I like to read. I hope that helps you guys. If you want to explore this topic more in depth, we can schedule a class together. You can book a free consultation to talk about what that would look like from the link below. And thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to subscribe if this video was helpful for you. And I'll see you in the next one. Adios!